All right, I am standing in the meadow of tract number 4 at Bryant Creek. I drove onto the property and drove all the way through the meadow. I'm parked right here. I also did go over there and snapped a photo of the power meter. So there is power directly on the property. The property goes up and borders that county road. It goes all the way up the side of the property. So you'll see that in the drone video. You should be able to see it at least. That county road kind of gets hidden from by the trees. But a huge open meadow here. You have the county road right here. It is all wooded up to the north side of the property. And then it actually does go uphill to the north. And then on the other side of the north side of the property, it actually does border the county road again. So you've got county road frontage on 2 spots of the property. This giant, beautiful meadow here that was just recently mowed. In a beautiful area. And you also have frontage on the Bryant Creek. So it looks like at one point in time someone was putting a little gate or an entrance down to the creek. And then we're gonna go down there as well and take a look at the creek frontage that the property does have. Once you do a little bit of mowing and cleaning up this area, it'll be easy access to the creek, easy access. It's already got easy access everywhere, but you'll just get easier access onto the creek. I'm gonna try to find a way down there from over here. My cell phone service is not very good out here. I'm up on the north side of the property. I think I might have had 1 bar. I'm not sure, but down here I don't have anything. All right, so we should be getting pretty close. Looks like I took the long route to get there, but we'll get there in just a sec. All right, now I see it. So it's rare to have a property with actual frontage on a river or creek, and you've got the Bryant Creek in this case. Beautiful property, and the water's running. We haven't got a whole lot of water or rain here lately, but the water is still running pretty well. Nice, beautiful, clear. See a little current up there. And it runs all the way down the south side of this property. Continues up there, so gives you a good spot to go swimming, to go fishing, just hang out in the water. When the water's up a little higher, you could ride your canoe or kayak and things like that. You got a beautiful view just across the creek. It's a beautiful property with tons of unique features and lots of potential. I'm going to do a drone video as well, so make sure you check that out. This is track number 4 at Bryant Creek.